Thank you. Now to the impaired driving trial of Ottawa Councillor Matthew Luloff. His lawyer arguing today key evidence should be tossed over several alleged breaches of his charter rights. CTV's Katie Griffin was in court for us today. Has more on this, Katie.
Well, Patricia, the defense says that there's been no evidence presented that Luloff, who has pleaded not guilty, was the one behind the wheel that July night and that the charges should be dismissed. Hey, Councillor, anything you can say?
Thank you.
As the impaired driving trial for Ottawa Councillor Matthew Luloff wraps up, his defense lawyer argued that Luloff's blood alcohol level readings and what he said to a breath technician in the Ottawa police cell block should be tossed over 7 alleged charter breaches.
The essence is, firstly, that the driver was not identified that night by a person who was following them, and that Mr. Luloff was then subject to an arrest by the police on his own property without any warrant, was denied rights to counsel, and taken to the station and underwent a series of tests.
Among the alleged breaches, Lawrence Greenspon told the judge officers only told Luloff they were investigating a traffic complaint and not an impaired driver, delayed his rights to counsel, and forgot to read a demand for a breath sample until he got to cell block.
These charter breaches in my submission to the judge are such that the evidence should be excluded and the charges should be dismissed.
Luloff has pleaded not guilty to 1 count of operating a vehicle while impaired and 1 count of having a blood alcohol concentration above 80 milligrams per 100 milliliters 2 hours after ceasing to operate a vehicle. The witness who called 911 in July 2024 testified she saw a dark Jeep swerving all over the road, hitting the curb like a bumper car. The Crown pushed back on the defense's position that there was no evidence proving Luloff was the one behind the wheel. Julian Daller telling the judge, "You'll recall that the breath tech asked at one point, was there any collision involved in your drive home? The answer was no. Implicit in that answer is an acknowledgement that he was driving." Luloff did not take the stand. The defense called no evidence. Patricia.
Katie Griffin live for us tonight. Thank you.